Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make rice and chicken breast. Start by rinsing 1 cup of rice until the water runs clear, then soak if desired. Season each chicken breast with salt, pepper, and a light oil coating. Preheat a skillet over medium heat, brown the chicken 2 minutes per side, then add rice and 1.5 cups water, cover and simmer until tender. Cook until chicken reaches 165 degrees F and rice is fluffy. Pat chicken breasts dry and season generously with salt, pepper, and garlic powder. Heat 1 tablespoon oil in a pan until shimmering, then sear chicken 3 minutes per side for a golden crust. Add a splash of stock or water, reduce to low, cover, and cook until internal temperature reads 165 degrees F. Let rest 5 minutes before slicing to keep juices locked in and ensure tender, even results. Quick recommendation: if you like practical gear, try the Oala water bottle for reliable hydration while cooking or prepping. It keeps water close, fits cup holders, and has a convenient spout for quick sips between steps. If you are enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like to support more easy cooking tips. Check the description for the link and other deals and pick one up if interested. Now let's get back to the video. For fluffy white rice, use a 1:1.5 rice to water ratio depending on rice type and desired texture. Rinse grains well to remove excess starch, then bring to a boil, reduce to low, cover tightly and simmer without peaking for about 15 minutes for medium grain rice. Remove from heat, let sit covered 5 minutes, then fluff with a fork before serving alongside sliced chicken. Adjust salt and butter to taste for a richer result.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.